Hi, honeys. How's your all's day going so far? Mine is going fine. It's 3:32 here in the afternoon, and I'm getting ready to make chicken pot pie in my oven. So this is what I'm using. I'll be using my glass baking dish. Using pie crust. I'm using already done and seasoned chicken breast, and it's chopped up. It's diced. It's the John Soul's Foods chicken, oven roasted chicken. Frozen mixed vegetables, and then everything sit on the counter so I can get kind of room temperature, and some cream of chicken soup. And you probably won't have to add any salt to it, so I will be adding black pepper. So, stay tuned. Okay, y'all, I'm back. I'm going to use this glass baking dish. I'm going to let these pie crusts sit out to get room temperature. Still pretty cold. And I'm going to put the bottom crust in here now and prick it with a fork, and then I'm going to brown it. Just the way the pie crust comes. I'm going to try to make it fit in the bottom of this pan. Stretch it. This is a 9 by 13 baking dish, so that's fine. Okay, it's fine. Let me find this fork. I'm going to prick the bottom of the pie crust so when it browns it won't bubble up. I usually use those crescent rolls in my pot pies. Decided to try something different. Use regular pie crust. Okay. I guess that's enough holes in it. You don't see the holes in it. So I'm going to put this in the oven until it browns. And then I'll start working on the rest of the stuff. And I have another pie crust in here for the top. Okay. Okay, y'all. While I'm waiting for my pie crust to brown, I'm just going to dump this stuff in the bowl. And I'm going to use a lot more seasonings than I first thought. I'm going to use this whole bag of vegetables. This is what I got. Family size mixed vegetables. I'm going to use this whole bag of oven roasted chicken. I usually get a rotisserie chicken and just pull the meat off of it and use it. Oh, this is the meat I use. I'm using this big can cream of chicken soup. Kind of mix that. And I'm not even going to break this chicken up no more. I like big chunks of meat. Okay, I'm putting this whole can of cream of chicken soup in here. That pie crust smells good baking. I'm going to use some black pepper. Almost out. Basil leaves. Because I like to see seasonings in my food. Oregano leaves. Not too much of that. Onion powder. Garlic powder. Some poultry seasoning. I want it to be very savory. And some turmeric for color. I don't know what flavor it actually adds. That's good. I'm gonna mix it thoroughly. It's gonna look when I put it in the on top of the pie crust, and I put another pie crust on top of it. Smells good already, y'all. Come on. And this is going to loosen up. This cream of chicken soup is going to loosen up once the heat hits it. Okay, I'll be back and check this crust. It usually takes about 10 or 11 minutes. No, it's not brown yet. I'll be back. Okay, y'all, I'm getting ready to take this pie crust out the oven. It's brown. Well, I should have taken my wig off first, so it don't mess up. This heat don't mess up my wig. Okie dokie. Get y'all back over here. Now, let me show y'all that this is brown. See, it's nice and brown. Flaky. Okay, I'm just gonna okay, let's see what I'm doing. Putting this in here. Should have angled the camera the other way, probably. Oh, I almost touched that. Spreading this mixture. We'll be eating on this maybe 2 or 3 days. Maybe. And I didn't put any salt in it at all, because the meat is seasoned. And what else is seasoned? The cream of chicken soup. Now I'll put this over pie crust. I want to cut it into strips. Stretching it. Prick it so the juices can bubble through it. Okay, that's good. I ain't trying to crimp no edges and make it all cute. I just want that to cook evenly. That's fine. Okay. We'll stick it in the oven at 450 degrees until the top is brown. And everything else is basically cooked. It just has to heat up. So let me put it in the oven. You know what? I'm going to spray this and put some pepper on top. I'm going to spray. This is, I can't believe it's not butter. Whoops, let me show you. Spray, put a little basil on top. And some black pepper. Okay, that's good. I'm putting it on the bottom rack in the center of the oven. Okay, y'all, be back when it's done. Maybe 15 minutes. Okay, I'm getting ready to take this out the oven. It's been cooking for about 23 minutes, something like that. At 450 degrees. And it's bubbling. Smells good. Let me take the camera off so you can see. Just a minute. Okay, fresh out the oven. It's still bubbling. See that? Okay. Okay, I'm gonna end it now, but I'll show you. I'll show myself tasting it. Cutting into it and tasting it. So, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and you all have a very blessed day. Bye. But every goodbye ain't gone. Okay, I'm going to cut into it. Want some of that bottom crust. Got my bowl ready. I know what Walter's going to try to do. He's going to try to take most of this crust. And then we're going to be in divorce court next week. Nice big chunks of chicken all up in here. Walter washed the stove. He got these black grates sitting on here all kind of ways. Sideways, upside down, backwards. Okay. I'll spoon it. I know I can't eat this now. Takes a little bit of this crust. And a string bean. Oh, it's hot. That's good. It's good. It's so good. I don't even think it took a whole hour to cook. It's quick, easy, tastes good, and I didn't put any extra salt in it. The soup had salt in it, and the meat was seasoned. So, I'm gone for good now. Bye.